Okay, so here is my photosynthesis process. So to begin, there are two goals of photosynthesis, and the first goal is to create ATP, and this is accomplished in the photo stage. And the second goal is to create glucose, and this is done in the synthesis stage. And the whole process takes place in the stroma, which is located in the chloroplast. So to start, the sun releases light in the form of a photon and hits photosystem 2, and the chlorophyll is able to absorb it. And then the H2O is split, producing H plus and O2 and energized ions. And the energy between these bonds is known as chemical energy. Um, and then the hydrogen ion collects inside the thylakoid, and the O2 is released into the stroma, then out of the chloroplast, and then eventually out of the plant. And then the energized electrons will power the cytochrome complex traveling to photosystem 1 along the electron transport chain located inside the thylakoid membrane, causing it to spin and using kinetic energy. And then the photon of light hits photosystem 1, which re-energizes the electrons. And then the energy of electrons is combined with NADP plus to form NADPH, which is the energy storing compound. And then the hydrogen ions diffuse across the thylakoid membrane through ATP synthase, which converts ADP into ATP. And that was that was the first stage. And then stage 2 is the synthesis stage, and that's goal is to create glucose. So in stage 2, CO2 is converted to glucose using the energy from ATP plus NADPH, and then the plant will use water plus carbon dioxide, and it will form glucose along with oxygen.